The 2006 Kawasaki Meanstreak VN1600B is equipped with a formidable 1,552cc V-twin engine, delivering robust power and torque. This powerful engine provides exhilarating acceleration and strong performance, making it a thrill to ride on highways and city streets alike. Hey, real quick, before getting back to the facts, I want to talk about our sponsor. It's us. We have an eBay store where we sell thousands of used parts for a ton of different makes and models. Plus, we have free shipping. Be sure to check us out and see if we have parts for your motorcycle by clicking the link in the description. Combining classic cruiser elements with a sporty edge, the Meanstreak features a sleek and aggressive design. Its low-slung profile, drag-style handlebars, and bold lines give it a distinctive and muscular appearance that stands out from traditional cruisers. The Meanstreak VN1600B comes with dual front disc brakes and a rear disc brake, providing exceptional stopping power. This advanced braking system ensures confident and controlled braking, enhancing rider safety and handling, especially during high-speed rides. Thanks for watching this time-lapse teardown. If you like this style of content, then you're sure to like some of the other videos that we've put out. Feel free to click one of these videos that are popping up, or if you want to see everything that we've done, it's easiest to just go to our channel here, and while you're there, you can click the subscribe button and like and comment on some of our stuff. We respond to all of the comments, and we really appreciate it. So go ahead and do that for us.